Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Readme file for GitHub. First, open GitHub on your browser and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right, then click on your repositories. Select the repository where you want to add a Readme file. In your repository, click on Add File at the top right and select Create New File. For the file name, type readme.md. Below that, you'll see a text editor where you can add the content for your Readme file. Use Markdown to format your content. For example, to create a main heading, type a hashtag followed by a space and your title. For subheadings, use 2 or 3 hashtags. You can also list items, add links, or include images in your Readme file. Once you've added your content, scroll down and click Commit Changes to save the file. That's it, your Readme file is now live in your repository and ready to be viewed by others. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.